Okay, on some of the groups in the pending and spam, there are posts that are repetitive. So, for example, right now there's always a free meat, and then also there's another one, free food, right here, free food. And what you want to do is go through these, and in no context for real estate or houses would anyone who's legitimate would ever be giving away free meat. It has nothing to do with real estate at all. So what we can do is with keywords is we can copy them, free meat, and then we go up here to admin assist. Once you're here in admin assist, scroll down to manage posts, and there's this one right here. Post has certain keywords. So click on the pencil and edit. Okay. And then decline incoming post if post has certain keyword. You can see these are all the keywords I've already put in there, but you want to go ahead and put in free meat and then enter, and then free food, enter. So you can see here, sometimes people were posting free PS5. These are scams. Free MacBook, Binance Bitcoin has nothing to do with houses. Fresh eggs was another one, Honda Accord. So once you've done that, click on the back arrow and then save criteria. So now what'll happen is these spam posts for free meat or free food, they'll automatically be declined once these people post the next time. The post just won't make it through. Well, most of them will be declined, but sometimes they make them through, but this will just kind of prevent them from showing up. Thanks a lot.